Hello, fellow SpongeSugs. There's one here. Welcome to Gary's Mod Storm Chasers. What does this button do? Wait, what? Oh, it must be a joke or something. Holy shit, that's a tornado. That's an actual tornado. The most important thing to do is just to not panic. You only panic and you look at it panicking. Don't panic! Okay, wait. Okay, here's what we gotta do. We gotta drive right into it. But we can't take this stupid truck. It'll glitch out because multiplayer won't work. Hang on. Oh shit. I have an idea. I think I have an idea. Hold on. Okay. If we get to the slams, maybe. Slams. Oh, okay. Slams. Maybe something good will happen. Oh god. Okay, that probably wasn't the best idea. Hold on. Oh my god, there's 3 of them! There's three of them. Okay. Hang on. Okay, I'll just drive my SUV into the driveway. Maybe it'll go away. We are gonna drive into this. Oh my god, that is extremely close. Oh my god! Oh, this is crazy. This is not what storm chasing is about. Singing in the rain. Oh god! Storm Chasers, that's what it is. Well, I think that was Storm Chasers, people. And hopefully, yeah, see you guys.